Good Saturday afternoon, Southwest Arkansas. Well, still morning for us. I'm recording this at the time of 11:30 a.m. Talking about today's severe weather potential, we do have an enhanced risk out for the southeast Arkansas area. And you can see here, this goes all the way up to the Memphis area, into portions of Tennessee, down through Pine Bluff, El Dorado, near Camden, Magnolia. That orange color, that's your 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Outside of that, you have that yellow color, which runs to about the I-30 corridor from Sheridan, Arkadelphia, Hope, Texarkana, Prescott. Those areas, you're in your slight risk there as well. 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Once again, just a little bit lower of a threat. Then you have that green, darker green colored area for Hot Springs, Glenwood, Murfreesboro, Nashville, Ashdown, Foreman. That's your marginal risk. You're 1 out of 5 for the chance of severe weather. We're going to be watching for the chance of a few severe storms today, later this afternoon, and we're going to go and break down each potential threat and the data behind this. So give me just one moment, and we'll take a look at the tornado outlook to start out with. So taking a look at the tornado outlook, you can see that there is a 10%, that yellow colored area, medium end tornado threat for where the enhanced risk area is at. It is for the El Dorado area and Hampton area that we're going to be watching closely in our coverage area, but southeast Arkansas, northeast Louisiana, most of Mississippi, portions of Tennessee down into southwestern Alabama. We'll have to be on the lookout today for a few strong tornadoes potentially, as well as within that little hatched or dashed area that you see in that yellow area. That is the potential for a few stronger tornadoes that we will have to watch for the potential for. And then outside of that, you have your 5%, which is that brown-colored risk, where the slight risk is at, and then that green 2% risk, which, once again, it's not a super high risk once you get outside of that, but there's still a chance there, and you still need to stay weather aware today. Then taking a look at the damaging wind outlook, you can see that there's also a medium end 30% red colored area where that enhanced risk is at. But look off over there in Mississippi. There is a pink colored 45% higher end damaging wind potential there as well. We're going to be looking for the possibility of severe storms later this afternoon with that damaging wind and tornado threat. Those are the main threats. Large hail is on the lower end. It's still there, but it's on the very low end side of things. Not a big player in the severe weather chances as we go forward throughout the day today. Now we're going to take a look at current radar and what future radar could potentially look like as we go throughout the rest of this afternoon. So as you can see, we're taking a look at future radar as we go forward throughout the day today. Once again, this is what future radar could look like based off the HRRR model. Once again, this is just one model, so just remember this is a general idea. But as you can see, we've been dealing with showers and storms throughout most of the day and the morning today across southwest Arkansas. Well, as we pass that 12 p.m. time frame, we'll start to get a little more organized. There'll be some thunderstorms that try to develop and form into a line by that 2 p.m. time frame, pretty much around the I-30 corridor, and those will move east as a squall line in the afternoon. We will have to watch for a tornado potential with this down in the Magnolia, El Dorado, Camden, Hampton area with this line and a damaging wind potential. As we move forward, that line starts to move through the El Dorado area, southeast Arkansas area by the late afternoon, early evening hours. So we're going to be watching pretty much after 12 or really closer to 1 to 2 into the early evening hours for the severe weather potential in southwest Arkansas. After that, radar clears out. We're going to be watching for a few showers, maybe the potential for some winter weather on the backside of this, as cold temperatures will be on the move in. And you can see I'm not rolling out the possibility some areas up near Mena may have the potential of seeing maybe a few flurries overnight tonight with that cold air that comes in. But after this, we'll start to talk about the cold air potential coming in and the winter weather potential. We'll start talking about that for next week after we get through this severe weather event. So as always, stay weather aware. If we need to go live on YouTube and Facebook, we will. We'll have our live nonstop coverage up actually over on YouTube a little later this afternoon. And we will continue to have that up, and if we need to break into coverage, we will do so on both Facebook and YouTube. So as always, have a good rest of your day, stay weather aware, and thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.